Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super hot topic, detox diets. There's a ton of hype around cleanses, juice fasts, and detox teas, but how much of it is actually true? As a doctor, I've seen firsthand the confusion surrounding detox diets, and I'm here to separate fact from fiction. We're going to break down the most common detox myths out there and give you the real deal on how to stay healthy. Let's get started. Ever hear the claim that a detox diet will magically flush out all the toxins in your body? Here's the thing. Your body is a freaking amazing machine. It comes equipped with its own built-in detox system. Think of your liver like a powerful filter, constantly working to neutralize harmful substances. Your kidneys act as a waste removal crew, flushing out toxins through your urine. Your lungs expel carbon dioxide with every breath. And even your skin plays a role in detoxification by eliminating waste through sweat. These organs are working 24/7 to keep you healthy, and they're really, really good at their job. You don't need a special diet to detoxify your body. It's already happening naturally. How do you do that? It's simpler than you think. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your kidneys flush out waste products. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide antioxidants and fiber that support your liver's detoxification pathways. And don't forget about exercise. Breaking a sweat is a great way to eliminate toxins through your skin. So skip the detox hype and trust your body's built-in system. It's the best detox you can get. Ever feel guilty after a big night out or binge eating session? And think, I need a detox to make up for this. We've all been there. You wake up feeling bloated and sluggish, and that's when those detox teas and cleanses start sounding pretty appealing. But here's the deal. Your body is incredibly resilient, and it knows how to bounce back from a little indulgence. Let's talk about alcohol first. Your liver is a champ at processing alcohol and removing it from your system. It's true that excessive drinking can take a toll on your liver, but a short-term detox won't reverse any damage. The best way to recover from a night of drinking is to simply give your body a break and allow it to process the alcohol naturally. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and get some rest. Now, what about those overeating episodes? We've all been there, especially during the holidays or special occasions. The truth is, one big meal or even a few days of overindulging won't derail your health goals. Your body is designed to handle fluctuations in calorie intake. Instead of punishing yourself with a restrictive detox, focus on getting back on track with your regular, healthy eating habits. Choose nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. So ditch the detox guilt trip and trust your body's ability to recover. A little balance goes a long way. How many times have we heard this one? Lose weight fast with a detox. It's a tempting promise, especially when you're bombarded with before and after pictures and testimonials. But here's the harsh reality. Detox diets don't lead to sustainable weight loss. Sure, you might see the number on the scale drop quickly during a detox, but it's important to understand what's really happening. Most of the weight you lose on a detox is water weight, not fat. Detox diets often restrict calories and certain food groups, which can lead to dehydration. And when you start eating normally again, you'll gain that water weight right back. Not only that, but some detox diets can also lead to muscle loss. When you're not consuming enough protein, your body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy. This is the opposite of what you want if you're trying to lose weight and keep it off. Sustainable weight loss is about making long-term lifestyle changes, not quick fixes. It's about adopting healthy habits that you can maintain over time. Instead of falling for detox diet traps, focus on creating a calorie deficit through a combination of diet and exercise. Choose nutrient-rich foods that keep you feeling full and satisfied, and find an exercise routine you enjoy and can stick with. Ditch the detox delusion and embrace a sustainable approach to weight loss. Your body will thank you in the long run. Juice cleanses are everywhere these days. They're marketed as a way to reset your body, boost energy levels, and of course, detoxify. But are they really all they're cracked up to be? Let's take a closer look. While it's true that fruits and vegetables are incredibly nutritious, juice cleanses often lack essential nutrients like protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Your body needs these nutrients to function properly. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. Fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and healthy fats are important for hormone production and cell function. When you're only consuming juice, you're missing out on these crucial nutrients. Another concern with juice cleanses is that they can be very low in calories. While this may lead to short-term weight loss, it can also backfire. When you drastically reduce your calorie intake, your body goes into starvation mode and starts conserving energy. This can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight in the long run. Plus, let's not forget about the sugar content in many juice cleanses. Even though the sugar is coming from fruit, it's still sugar. Consuming large amounts of sugar can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can leave you feeling tired and irritable. Instead of relying on juice cleanses, focus on incorporating more whole fruits and vegetables into your diet. Real food is always the best choice. Detox teas and supplements are everywhere, promising to cleanse your body from the inside out. But are they really safe and effective? Here's what you need to know. Many detox teas and supplements contain ingredients that can have laxative or diuretic effects. Laxatives stimulate bowel movements, while diuretics increase urine production. While these effects may lead to temporary weight loss, it's important to remember that it's mostly water weight, not fat. Not only that, but excessive use of laxatives and diuretics can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and even nutrient deficiencies. Another concern with detox teas and supplements is that they're not regulated by the Food and Drug Administration. This means that the claims made on the labels may not be backed by scientific evidence. If you're considering trying a detox tea or supplement, it's crucial to talk to your doctor first, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Instead of relying on quick fixes, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall health and well-being. Ever notice how detox diets often promise increased energy levels and mental clarity? It sounds amazing, right? But the truth is, feeling sluggish and foggy-headed on a detox is more common than you think. When you drastically reduce your calorie intake or eliminate certain food groups, your body isn't getting the fuel it needs to function at its best. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy, and when you're not consuming enough carbs, you may experience fatigue and brain fog. Not only that, but many detox diets are also low in protein, which is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar drops, you may feel tired, irritable, and have difficulty concentrating. Instead of depriving your body of the nutrients it needs, focus on nourishing it with a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. These foods will provide your body with a steady stream of energy, keeping you feeling alert and focused throughout the day. True energy and mental clarity come from taking care of your body, not punishing it with a restrictive detox. In a world of instant gratification, it's tempting to believe that a quick detox is all it takes to achieve optimal health. But the truth is, true health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable lifestyle choices that support your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Detox diets may offer a temporary fix, but they don't address the root causes of health issues. Instead of focusing on quick fixes, shift your mindset to embrace a holistic approach to health. Nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Move your body regularly in ways that you enjoy. Manage stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Prioritize sleep and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Remember, health is not just about what you eat or how much you exercise. It's about taking care of yourself on a deeper level. So, ditch the detox mentality and embrace a sustainable approach to health. It's a journey worth taking. All right, guys, that's it. 7 detox myths busted. Don't fall for the fads. Stick to real, sustainable health habits and your body will thank you. Your body is already amazing just the way it is. Instead of seeking quick fixes, focus on nourishing your body with a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your experience with detox diets. Let's keep the conversation going. Trust your body, make informed choices, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. See you next time.